Oh my god. Alright, I'm going live.
Yeah, for sure. This is gonna be epic. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
I'm Officer Cruz with the Tallahassee Police Department. I'm conducting an official and criminal investigation concerning fraud. Any false statements about material matters given by a witness under the oath will consult penalty. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. It's a yes or no, sir. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
One of them, man.
Yeah, if he's talking.
You said a yes? Okay. All right, so.
On July 23rd, 2025, Tallahassee Police arrested a Chuck E. Cheese employee for credit card fraud. This analysis focuses on the legal issues the footage presents.
Hey, bro, what's up?
Hey, are y'all busy?
No, we just cleared some guy with a 2x4 at a gas station.
Okay, was that a report or no?
No.
Okay. I would appreciate your assistance. I have a pretty legitimate fraud call over here at the Chuck E. Cheese. A guy stole a credit card from the complainant and then has been using it at different places. And the complainant tracked it down to him. She has video of him using it at a meat market. And she's like, I know that's my card because it's a distinct card. And she's here outside the Chuck E. Cheese, and she says he's inside right now.
Oh, really? Okay. And how does she know it's him?
She went to the meat market where she was seeing charges and went to the timestamp from the charge, and the meat market let her look at the video. And she's like, wait a second, that guy's an employee at the Chuck E. Cheese that I just had my daughter's birthday party at.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. Okay, let's think this through. So we got... How many charges are we talking?
At least 2 or 3 screenshots worth of charges over a course of a couple days.
Oh, so multiple charges.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have felony on the number, if not the amount. Okay, yeah, he's en route. Just trying to think how to handle this. When were the charges made?
Within the last month, I know that for sure. I haven't worked out the details with her yet on the exact dates, when it started and when it ended.
Okay, yeah, we're coming. We're almost there, in fact, so we'll try to get the details.
Okay.
What about if 3 cops go in the front door?
He might try. I doubt it.
That's what I'm saying. So our strategy is to get him just to go to the back, just in case.
I'm going to sweep into the back.
I think that's a good idea.
I think
when we get to that point,
I don't think
make sure you get everything and you're confident. And can you let him see the video? Because he's going to be the one writing the report today, so or arrest or whatever comes from it.
In the video, we both looked at
341. Go ahead.
The card is distinct. It's gray and it's got like a multicolored glimpse where you can see
Got a
half the
cheeseburger.
card. You can see. Would you stop? I'm trying to tell him something important. You can see half the card and it's gray with a circle right in the middle of it.
With the circle.
I would say we're searching him yet. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, don't we have to?
question him first.
But we can always ask consent when
Sure.
Okay.
you there.
Or we gotta know who he is. Do you have an ID? You know.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. All right, I'm going live.
Yeah, for sure. This is gonna be epic. Oh boy.
Oh my god. Ask management who's in the mouse suit.
Yeah, already asked
we know
the
his name.
manager was here. We don't know his name. Thank you, sir. Yes, we are.
Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around.
You want me to come in front of these kids? Okay. Ma'am, who's in the mouse suit? Was it the gentleman that was just up here? Okay. Chucky's a little bit busy, ma'am. Chucky, come with me, Chucky. Come on. Come with Chucky. Chucky, stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're being detained. Stop resisting. Let it go. Let it go. Do not cause a scene here, sir.
I got one.
Come on. Hey, we're going this way, sir. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to talk to you in a minute, okay? We got to do our job, ma'am. It's not my call, ma'am. Come on. I'm going to talk to you in a minute and let you know what's going on, okay?
I don't know shit about this.
All right, that's fine.
I don't know shit about nothing.
I got you.
I'm working, entertaining kids for a living.
I got you, buddy. Come over here. You got anything on you? It's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? You got anything on you? I'm gonna pat you down, okay? What's that? What's in your pocket here? Just your wallet and stuff?
Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? Oh, it hurts.
I'm not working. I'm just doing my job. I
got you.
What the f is this about?
We're gonna talk.
We're gonna talk to you in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal
I
shirt?
gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, we'll take care of that in a minute.
We'll do it. Put him in the car and read it.
All right, come on.
Go from there.
Man, what is going on, man?
I got.
All right, just hold on right here. You don't have anything that's gonna poke me or stick me, right?
No, sir,
All
man.
right, don't worry about reaching or anything, okay? Where the you got pants on underneath this?
I gotta take all this stuff off, man. I gotta get dressed. What is going on?
Just pat him down. Just
Okay.
pat him down for now.
I didn't feel any weapons, so.
Do you have any weapons, knives?
I don't carry with.
All right, have a seat in here, sir. I'm gonna read you something, okay?
What is going on?
I'm about to explain that to you right after I read you this, okay?
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
Alrighty, sir.
The Fourth Amendment requires that warrantless felony arrests be supported by probable cause, evaluated under the totality of the circumstances standard from Illinois versus Gates. Here, officers possessed victim identification and corroborating surveillance video, documenting a pattern of unauthorized transactions. Under Florida statute, section 901.15, this authorized arrest without a warrant. The pat-down that followed falls squarely within United States versus Robinson, decided in 1973. A full search of an arrestee incident to a lawful custodial arrest requires no additional justification. That search recovered the victim's credit card from the suspect's left front pocket, becoming the central evidence in the case.
I'm Officer Cruz with the Tallahassee Police Department. I'm conducting an official and criminal investigation concerning fraud. Any false statements about material matters given by a witness under the oath will consult penalty. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a... Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yeah, I understand, but what is going on?
Okay.
I don't know anything.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to an attorney?
I haven't. I don't know anything about none of this.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
What is going on?
Having these rights in mind, do you want us to talk to you? Do you wish to talk to us about what's going on?
I just want to know what's going on. I have to get back to work.
So, sir, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Why y'all even harassing me and I didn't even do anything? I'm in here working, doing what
Sir, I need you to answer the questions before I talk to you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
What I talk to y'all of and I don't know what's going on.
It's a yes or no, sir. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Whatever, man.
Yeah, if he's
Is
talking.
that a yes? Okay.
The most significant procedural concerns arise during Miranda advisement. Officer Cruz first read a witness admonition, a document intended for cooperating fact witnesses, not for a suspect in custody. He then identified himself as being with the Austin Police Department when he is, in fact, employed by Tallahassee. Neither error, standing alone, would suppress the arrest, but both suggest a card or template that warrants departmental review. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, a suspect in custody must be advised of the right to silence, the consequences of speaking, and the right to counsel before interrogation begins. The recording suggests the right to counsel portion was interrupted before completion. Further, Berghuis versus Thompkins, decided in 2010, permits waiver to be inferred from a suspect's conduct, but it requires the prosecution to demonstrate the waiver was knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. When the officer characterized an ambiguous response as an affirmative, That characterization does not, by itself, satisfy the Berghuis standard.
All right, so we are investigating some fraud stuff with the credit card. Have you been using anyone else's credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Have you been shopping lately with a credit card?
No, sir. Only card I use is my own Cash App. That's it.
So you don't use a credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. You've never obtained a credit card from here, found one lost or whatever else, and used it anywhere else? So there wouldn't be any video of you anywhere shopping with a credit card?
Like at the meat market.
At the meat market that doesn't belong to you?
I don't know anything about a meat market.
You don't shop at the meat market? So you haven't gone anywhere and used a credit card to shop anywhere in the past week?
None.
Okay.
Push him on the location.
Okay. Well, yeah. What about? All right. Well, I tell you what.
I don't know anything
You don't have to show
about.
him, but just
I was going to look at the video for myself. I don't remember the names of the places.
I don't even know anything about none of this.
Okay.
As far as I know.
So we got.
Because I cannot afford to lose this job. This is all I know and love.
I gotcha. Have you ever been to a place called 720 in Tallahassee?
720 Orange Avenue, the meat market.
Oh, the meat market.
Or Harry's meat market.
Yeah,
The one that you're on film stealing.
What about Cloud Smoke Shop? You ever been there?
The one
Okay.
you're also on film stealing.
What about the Whataburger? You go to the Whataburger and get some food with a credit card? Okay.
Only thing
Neighborhood meat market. You went there multiple times
I
on
use
video.
my own card. Now I don't use other people's stuff for nothing.
Okay. At the meat market, you use your own card?
My own card. That's it.
So you did go to the meat market then?
I go there, but I don't use nobody card but my own.
When's the last time you went there? The meat market?
A few days ago.
A few days ago? Okay. And you used your own card there?
Yes, my own. Nobody else's.
Is that the app thing you were talking about? Your
Cash
Apple
App.
Pay
That's
thing?
it. Cash App.
They take Cash App there? Okay. What about the Time Savers too?
Cash App.
Cash App. So you've been there recently?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What about Tony Mart? No?
I haven't been there
You
recently.
haven't been to Tony Mart? Okay. And Time Savers again. So you go to these places and use your Cash App on your phone to pay for stuff? Never with a card. Okay, so if we got video of you using a card.
I use my own card, no one else's.
Well, you said it's a phone, right? It's
I have that card, but it's not with me today.
you have the card, but it's not. What cards do you have on you today?
I don't got no card on me, but boss cards. That's it.
That's it? Okay.
And a pack of cigarettes. That's it.
Okay, so you're denying all claims of going over to these places and using someone else's credit card.
I don't use nobody card but my own.
Okay. You know how much meat you bought or about how much stuff you spent in the past few weeks on your Apple card or your Cash App card or whatever card you had?
Not too sure.
Not too sure?
Because
No
I'm forever
ballpark?
working.
Okay.
No ballpark figure.
What were you buying from like the 420, the smoke shops? Just cigarettes or?
Cigarettes. I just
Cigarettes.
smoke cigarettes.
Okay. What about the other shops? What were you buying from there? Don't know.
Don't remember.
Don't remember? Okay, so just meat and cigarettes.
You can, if you want to show them the video, you can show them the video.
I mean,
I don't know nothing about all this stuff. I don't use no card but my own card. I don't know nothing about this other shit.
does that look like you? Something you wear?
No, sir, I don't want no stuff like that.
You don't wear anything like that? That's not you? That's not you.
Hey, look at me. It's going to be in your best interest to tell the truth, okay? Don't pretend like that's not you in the picture, all right? You know it's you. Just start telling us the truth.
I don't want to go to jail today.
If you're lying to us, you're only going to make things worse on yourself, buddy. Because all that's going to go in the report, and all the judge is going to see all that shit.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
I understand that, but we got to investigate what happened here. So if you want to let us know what's going on, that would help everyone here, including yourself. It's the video.
What's can you hold his head, please? What? Get his name and information.
All right. Do you have your ID card on you in your pockets? You don't have your ID card on you? We're gonna find out if you got it on you. So if you're lying to me, it's not gonna go well, man. What's your name?
Hold on a minute, officer. Can I Go inside to get my
No,
ID.
sir, you have a seat. You
You
can't
tell
go
us where
inside
it
yet.
is, and we'll go get it for you.
What?
Just tell us where your ID card is.
I don't have it at all today.
Okay,
it's
what's
not
your first name?
My first name's Jermel.
Spell it for me.
Jermell.
Jermell.
Yes.
What's your middle name? All right, well, have a seat in there. I'm gonna check something. Go ahead and spin around, put your
Can
legs
those
in.
feet slide off? You can slide the feet off.
Yeah, let me take these off.
The manager wants the uniform. So let's try and take
I
it
have to figure that out. Here, give me his info.
All right, well,
What's his name? Jermel?
Jermel.
Jermel?
Hey, can you all help me so I can take this off?
J.
Hold on a second.
Just give a second.
Jermell?
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks.
704 use advised for bid for
Where's your feet? I gotta go get my other shoes and everything.
Okay. Yeah,
We'll get them for you.
We'll take care of that.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
We understand that.
I don't want to go to jail today.
We didn't want to come here and have to take you to jail, sir.
I don't want to go to jail today.
All right. You stand up. Is there a belt on those pants?
I gotta take, you gotta uncuff me so I can take all this stuff off.
No, we're going to take it off for you. Is there a belt on your pants?
I gotta take this stuff off to get to my regular
I
shit.
don't think you're understanding.
Hold on. I want to talk to y'all too about something
So-
real quick. Hey, you gotta
Attach this up
uncuff me.
there.
Okay.
You got attachers up there. It's gonna have to come off of here. We'll work on this and get it to you as soon as we can. Okay.
Zay, call Joe. I'm not trying to lose this job. Something that I don't even know shit about.
If we take these cuffs off,
10-4.
are we going to have to get in a fight?
No, sir, I'm gonna cooperate.
All right, good.
I'm gonna cooperate like a regular person.
Thank you.
All I do is do this 9 to 5 every day. That's it. I go to work, come home. That's it. Huh?
On use of force, Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, requires reasonableness judged from the officer's perspective at the scene. The physical control applied here remained proportionate. The repeated stop-resisting commands, however, must be weighed against the mechanical restrictions of the mascot costume itself. Officer Cruz receives a C+. Sound enforcement instincts, but Miranda mechanics require refresher training. Jermel Jones receives a D+. His physical cooperation prevented escalation, but engaging with officers after advisement, rather than invoking silence, transformed a marginal case into a strong one for the prosecution. The Tallahassee Police Department receives a B- for competent investigation and transparent release of footage offset by systemic Miranda card issues. 3 lessons emerge. For law enforcement, audit Miranda cards and rehearse the full advisement until the counsel warning is never interrupted. For any suspect in custody, after Miranda is read, the only strategically sound response is invocation of silence and counsel, regardless of guilt or innocence. For departments, procedural mechanics deserve the same training investment as tactical response. Let us know in the comments what interaction you would like us to analyze next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.